Kita ambil the white ashes ini, the white powder, put it in water, dissolve in water. They dissolve. Then one more observation kita dapat when I drop a few drops of phenolphthalein. Bila beberapa titik penunjuk phenolphthalein dimasukkan, larutan menjadi pink. Why? Kalau pink, it shows that alkaline solution. Kalau alkaline solution, macam mana tindak balas dia? X2O, the metal just now, you place in water, ianya menghasilkan alkaline solution, XOH. Alright, so jadi kalau Li2O, dia akan menghasilkan LOH. Kalau N2O, NaOH. Alright, complete the equation. Then once done, let me know. I will see who's the first student can do that. So once you have done the three equations, I want you to name it as well. Siapa yang sudah tuliskan persamaan, let me know, balance the equation. Every time in chemistry, bila buat tuliskan persamaan, balance the equation. Okay. Anyone done? Okay, done. Okay, good. Now let's check your answer. So balancing, these are the answers. So Li2O campur H2O dapat LiOH. Ini NaOH. Ini KOH. Now, how about the name? Who can give me the name? The first one, LiOH. Macam mana kita sebutkan LiOH ini? What's the name of this compound? All right. Carbonate is wrong. Hydroxide, HEMA is correct. Hongkiat also correct. Okay, so that's good. Now, let's check the answer. So, jawapan dia, lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, atau lithium hydroxida, natrium hydroxida, kalium hydroxida. Ini nama-nama mereka. So it's good as a chemistry student, it's good for you to know the name of the compound. So you come back to ini. Tengok equation ini. Dia tulis AQ. Kalau bahasa Melayu, AK. Apa maksud ini? Aqueous. Aqueous maksudnya larutan. Normally whenever they say solution, automatically aqueous. Aqueous bermaksud mengandungi air. So lithium hydroxide aqueous, that means they dissolve really into the water. So it's a solution that contain two things. Lithium hydroxide compound and also water. Of course, they can ionize lah. So lithium hydroxide and water mixed together, we call as aqueous. Kalau dia solid or pepejal, dia tak larut, mendakan. Serbo, all this. So aqueous. So all compound from group 1, the oxide akan larut dalam air, membentuk larutan aqueous. Alright, next. Reaction with chlorine. So how they react? That means lithium react with chlorine, sodium react with chlorine, potassium react with chlorine. We are going to see that. Okay, now cara yang sama, bakar logam tersebut di luar dan masukkan ke dalam balang gas yang mengandungi gas chlorine. Right, so this is a BM in English diagram lah. So satu dalam bahasa Inggeris, satu dalam bahasa Melayu. Alright, so same thing. Tengok apa letak dalam balang gas yang ada gas chlorine. Observe the flame. Adakah nyalaan lebih cergas, or remain the same, or malap sedikit? That's what we're going to see. So when we observe one by one for lithium, for sodium, for potassium, these are the results. Keputusan menyatakan bahawa lithium, sodium, potassium. Reactivity, lithium burns slowly. Sodium burns quickly. Potassium burns vigorously. Dari segi reactivity, from lithium to potassium, nyalaan dia lebih cergas. Terbakar secara perlahan, cepat, cergas. Jadi they're getting more reactive. Warna nyalaan. Kalau lithium bila terbakar ni, warna nyalaannya merah. Sodium, kuning, yellowish. So potassium, bluish to purplish like that. So lebih kepada warna biru, dia lebih cergas. Dia punya what we call nyalaan mereka. Nah, product of the reaction, sama ada lithium, sodium atau potassium bila dibakar dengan kehadiran gas chlorine, resultnya satu saja. Alright, apa dia? Produces white solid when full. serbuk putih atau pepejal putih bila sejuk. Like natrium chloride, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride ialah garam dapur. Garam dapur warna putih. Alright, so sodium chloride is pepejal in fact. Alright. Color of the flame. So all metal group 1 can be burned in the air. These are the colors. Kalau lithium, the first one lithium, second one sodium, third one potassium, rubidium, and then cesium. So rubidium, cesium jarang ditanya lah. Tapi lithium, sodium, potassium important. Okay, the first 3 colors is enough. Ini warna nyalaan. So you just burn the metal, see what happened. What's the color initially. Now chemical equation bila bertindak balas dengan chlorine. M here mewakili metal group 1. You can use X also, tak apa. Metal react with chlorine, dapat metal chlorida. Remember balancing. So the balancing must be like this. Everything same. Only the M will be changed from lithium to potassium, sodium, then potassium. Alright. Tuliskan ketiga-tiga persamaan kimia dan namakan mereka. Siapa yang sudah tuliskan persamaan kimia, let me know. Lepas tuliskan persamaan kimia, baru kita namakan mereka. I want the first compound for lithium. Apakah nama produk bagi lithium? Yang bertindak balas dengan chlorine tadi. Okay, good. Done. Hongkiat done. Now let's check the chemical equation. This will be chemical equation there. Okay, sweeting also done. Good. Okay, semua sama. Everything same. Now we are going to name them. Okay, I'm going to choose one name. Okay, the last one, KCl. All right, what's the name of KCl? KCl. I want the last one, KCl. Name. Potassium chloride. Okay, Hongkiat betul. Siapa lagi? KCl. K Samantha also correct. All right, now let's check nama dia in BM and also in English. So we have lithium chloride. So who else answered just now? One more answer. Okay, then someone answered. Let me just check. Okay, sweeting also potassium chloride. Okay, correct. Now lithium chloride, chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride. Kalau apa semua lithium chlorida, natrium chlorida, kalium chlorida. So ini nama mereka. And they're solid. Solid maksudnya dia pepejal pada suhu bilik lah. So they're white color in fact. White color solid. Alright. Next, reaction with water. That means you take this metal, group 1 metal, get a beaker and put it inside the beaker and see how's the reaction. What's the color of the product yang akan dapat? Is there any other observation you can see? All right, how to determine the second observation, the second product, the sebagainya. When a small piece of alkali metal, normally kalau dalam sekolah, we'll be using sodium for this, is dropped into a beaker that contain distilled water, what will happen? Oh, it moves around with a loud hiss sound. So, jadi logam tersebut akan bergerak secara rawa in all over the place, you know, with the what we call with the hiss sound. At the same time, they're releasing bubbles. You can see bubbles as well. Gelembung-gelembung gas dibebaskan. So that gas is actually hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas, maybe in Form 1, Form 2, you might do a test for hydrogen gas. So this will be one of the method. Dia akan berikan sepotong kecil natrium masuk dalam beaker dan letakkan tabung uji, trap the gas release. The gas release is actually hydrogen gas. And the solution yang terbentuk when you test with what we call a phenolphthalein solution, a few drops of phenolphthalein, it turns pink color. They form alkaline solution. All right, directly can. One, you burn in the oxygen, then put in water also can. Atau ambil logam terus masuk dalam air pun boleh juga untuk menghasilkan larutan alkali. So this is the one. The metal itself, just now metal oxide, now metal. React with water, produces alkaline solution. Solution must be aqueous. And hydrogen gas, H2. All right, so 3 equations. So let's check. These are the 3 equations. Everything kena sama. Ikut the yellow color equation. That is general equation, persamaan am dia. Only thing, change the X to lithium, sodium, potassium, that's it. You get hydrogen. So namakan mereka, so LiOH adalah what we call lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ataupun lithium hydroxida, natrium hydroxida, kalium hydroxida, nama-nama mereka. Okay, these are the same like earlier lah. So boleh rujuk nota tadi ya sebelum ni. Okay. Let's go.